Hours ago, a decision from the Georgia Court of Appeals came down that could completely change the course of the Fulton County election interference case. This morning, the court accepted a bid led by former President Donald Trump to appeal a Fulton County disqualification order.
Yeah, this is a major move. It could impact Trump's trial date before the November election. We want to get straight to 11 Alive's Brittany Kleinpeter, who's been following this for us today. So, Brittany, the district attorney here, originally she said that she wanted this trial to come down in August. This could potentially impact that case, though.
That's exactly right, Faith. So not only is it likely to delay the case, it also now means once again that District Attorney Fani Willis could once again be disqualified from prosecuting it. Tonight, it appears former President Trump is one step closer to avoiding criminal proceedings before the November election.
Given the high-profile nature of this case, the one thing no one wants is for this to be overturned on appeal.
In a move early Wednesday, the Georgia Court of Appeals agreed to hear Trump's appeal on the ruling that allowed Fulton County DA Fani Willis to remain on the 2020 election RICO case. The decision will most certainly delay the trial in Fulton County for Trump and his 14 co-defendants, as well as put Willis's fate back up in the air.
So Mr. Wade is still out. There isn't the possibility of him coming back into the case. Now the issue simply remains, should Fani Willis also have been recused?
Emory law professor John Acevedo, who has been closely following the case, says an appeals court would have to make a decision very quickly in order for the trial to start this calendar year.
It's still possible that it could, but the Court of Appeals would have to decide very fast. They're typically a fairly fast court, but they would have to decide in weeks.
In the original motion to disqualify Willis, Fulton County Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee determined that she could stay on the case with the condition that Nathan Wade resign from the case. The romantic relationship between the two became the focus of the disqualification matter.
So if the appeal is successful, then at that point Fani Willis would have to be recused as the district attorney, and not only herself but her entire office.
Now, this wasn't the only decision that came down from the appellate court today. We also learned in the last few hours that defendant Harrison Floyd, who used to be the director of Black Voices for Trump, filed a separate appeal on a separate matter that was denied. Reporting from downtown Atlanta, Brittany Kleinpeter, 11 Alive.